You might think you've seen China, but this felt like something out of a fairy tale. Deep in the countryside of Yangshuo, we found a beautiful yellow flower field that only blooms for a couple months out of the year near late March. My friend Katie and I came to visit this area in Guangxi to see the Gumdrop Mountains and were met with a spectacular surprise of a fairy tale landscape. I didn't know it when we found this hidden gem, but this was going to quickly become one of my favorite days I've spent in China. With bike rides through the flower fields, scootering over the river, flying my drone over an ancient bridge, tasty food under a lantern-lit town, and encountering so many friendly strangers along the way. Here's a look into one of the most magical trips I've had in China, and why Yangshuo deserves a spot on the list of hidden gems of China. We started our day by heading into the Gumdrop Mountains and renting bikes for what was about to be a truly unforgettable experience. It's beautiful. As we biked along, we took in all of the beauty of the Gumdrop Mountains, but we had no idea the magic that was waiting just ahead for us.
Oh my gosh, look at this!
The times in life I feel the most alive are when I'm surrounded by beautiful places in nature, on top of a mountain, under the stars, or in the middle of a flower field just like this. It sparks so much joy in my soul and brings such inspiration to my heart. I thought we'd already seen the highlight of our day, but what came next was something we never expected. A group of men working at the flower field offered to take a drone video of us on a scooter, and I think Katie and I would agree it turned into a true cinematic masterpiece.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
This is a model. Oh, we got two drones. Slow and be careful,
Slow and be careful.
Have you been before the scooter?
Yeah.
Go in there and come back, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. Don't go too fast. I never given a stop. Where's your horn? I don't have a horn. Beep, beep.
But wait, there's more.
You get to ride a swaggy Pokemon tandem scooter.
We're just living out our best lives. That was really fun. Talk about a wild time. That's going to be a memory that Katie and I will keep forever. Next, we hopped into the car because there was still more of the day left to enjoy. We made our way to Fooly Bridge, which is a 600-year-old bridge that hasn't been restored, so it has all of its original structure and architecture. We took some pictures on the bridge while fellow visitors enjoyed rafting along the water. And of course, we had to throw the drone up to see it from a bird's eye view. It was such a cool place to visit because it felt like we were being transported back in time. For our final stop of the day, we headed to West Street, a trendy shopping and dining area with eclectic shops and beautiful alleyways. We had a delicious dinner of Thai food and then explored around the area to see the sunset and the night come alive. At the end of the night, we walked into a beautiful shop that had thousands of wishes hanging at the entrance. I've seen a few stores like this on my travels through China, and it always makes me smile to see so many prayers and wishes for dreams all in one place. Finally, our day had come to an end, but I know it was filled with memories that I will remember for years to come, from endless laughter while biking and scootering to seeing iconic and unforgettable sights. This day is such a special highlight of my travels through China, but it's joining a list of so many others, like biking through the Gumdrop Mountains in Yunnan, seeing the bluest lake in the world, or exploring unique hotels in hidden spaces. These are all linked in the description below, so check those out next and subscribe for the adventure. I'm on a mission to find hidden gems in all the corners of the world, and this is just the beginning.